Hi guys, it's Dave from Drive Events. You join me at the head of the Rest and Be Thankful Valley here in Scotland. Yes, it's the Highlands. I didn't think I was coming, but yes, we are here and we are doing the Scottish Highlands trip a little bit later on. It's now October and we really are going to feature a very, very special car on this trip. It's known as the Chris Harris 4 litre, but no, forget that, scrub that. It's now the Miles Newhouse 4 litre.
David, I want to thank you for inviting us all along. Fabulous, fabulous group of friends, lovely people, great cars. What else can I say?
No pressure.
No pressure. Thank
No
you.
pressure. Okay, right, so we've now reached the viewpoint here at Loch Tulla. Amazing views behind us here now. We just met an actual group of other car drivers on the way back from the Highlands, and we've now just arrived. Cars are going to get put back into better formation for photographs. I think we're going to move it back a little bit. And then next stop's Fort William for a curry. End of day 2, all the cars parked up here in a lovely line. Driving Kevin's Spyder, absolutely phenomenal. His car's just performing so well. It's time for a snooker comp, then some food. Day 3 tomorrow. Famous Kalimbo bridge. It's a little bit damp. The car's performing immensely. We just had a few shots on the bridge, and now we're going to get out of here to our next stop. We're going to wrap it up now. Thanks very much for watching. It's been a fabulous trip. It's had everything, and that's what my trips have. It's all about pleasure. It's all about the experience, and we really enjoy putting it together for you guys. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and notification the next time I do a video. And as always, I'll see you next time.